guys, today I'm going to make some modification on cubes. Here I have an MF3RS. It has rounded off corners. Okay, it has squared off corners. I take it out all these short edges on the piece. Okay, let's see what's happened. Okay guys, here is the MF3RS corner piece and it has squared off corners. I want to take all these squared off corners. Okay, after I take that, it seems like this. See? Okay, let's take out that. Here I have a knife. Okay, see? I got that. Okay guys, let's see what's happened. I cut all of them.
Where are you now? At Venice, under the sea, under the sea. Where are you now? Another dream. The monsters running wild inside of me. I'm faded.
Yes, I removed all the corner pieces. I rounded off it. Okay, let us arrange and see how it looks.
If this night is not forever, at least we are together. I know I'm not alone. I know I'm not alone. Anywhere, whenever, apart but still together. I know I'm not alone. I know I'm not alone.
Okay guys, I removed all the corner pieces. Okay, it's just a sticker. Let's remove it. That's okay. I removed it, and here's the cube. It looks like a X-Men tornado design. See? Okay, corner twist will not happen often. Okay guys, thanks for watching. If you want to try, you need only a knife for it. Okay, a simple knife, it's enough for that. Okay guys, thanks for watching. I will see you in my next video.